Hello good people, welcome back to Ben's Farm, and this video is all about how we recovered the onion which was affected by dumping off fungal infection. So I'm gonna show you how the onion is going on. Before we proceed, please do your subscription, share this link to your friends, press that button for notifications, ensure you watch just to promote our channel as we grow together, as we proceed with feeding the nation. So guys, I'm gonna show you about like around 3 weeks ago. Is it 3 weeks or 1 month? 1 month, I'm not sure. I'll just refer it for the next video. We got some dumping off infection on the onions which we had propagated. We managed to salvage the onions, and the outcomes. Guys, have a look. This is like how many inches? 10 inches tall? This is like 10 inches tall, eh? Have a look how it's doing very well. And it's pencil size already. This is ready for transplanting. 6 weeks. 6 weeks. See these spaces in between? There's the seedlings which you are dying off, eh? Well, at least it gave some breathing here. As you can see, the onion, the seedlings are very good, eh? See? So this is the nursery we salvaged from dumping off. You can refer to our videos, you can see what we sprayed to recover them. I think the problem was we did not drench well when we planted these seeds. So guys, it's always very important to drench. Make sure you drench your... some of the guys do dip the seeds in they
soak it in maybe a solution.
A
solution which will be either mostly a fungicide.
Yes. Yes.
Solution.
Yes.
Or maybe mostly it is always advisable you dip it in a fungicide.
Overnight, right?
Overnight. Then
before you propagate in the morning.
Yeah. You'll break that dormancy.
Yes.
And also, you know, nowadays people who are doing the seeds packaging, they usually there are some things which they usually use, like I don't know what we call it. That stuff, the one usually covers the seed.
Yeah.
I don't know if it is called barium, something like that. Yeah.
So guys, we're gonna do some research. Please, if you're an expert, drop a comment on what we can soak with. But just to break the dormancy and any infection, please, you can soak it. Or the main thing which we do ourselves is ensure that we drench right after, like we always say.
Started shooting, germinating.
Yes. No, we don't even do it after germination. What we do is when you first make the beds, lay the drips, propagate, cover it with sand, and then next thing is water it, and then the other thing is now drenching with fungicides, insecticide,
or even biostimulant.
Oh, and please include a stimulant, biostimulant, that is the optimizer and all that. Soak it, drench it, ensure that it is around 4 inches. It goes 4 inches deep. And the reason why you have to water it first is the water helps this drenched chemical to go down around 4 inches. With that, we have already controlled whatever is in the soil. Yeah, and all that. So that is a mistake what we did. Whoever drenched this did not do it correctly. Yes.
Also, it's also advisable.
Yes.
Before you put the seeds on the ground.
Yep.
You drench the soil.
You put the seed in, that is what the first day when you have already put the seeds, or before drench the soil. Okay. Guys, you're learning from agronomist Victor. You can learn that. So you can see that this is how the seedlings are good. You can see some of them, and in short, these are ready to be. They are ready to be transplanted. They are 6 weeks already, and ready to. Otherwise, they'll start being, overgrown in the nursery. You can see, this one is already overgrowing. You can see these ones are already. This ones are already overgrowing. So this is how you're supposed to take care of your seeds. By the time they're getting to 6 weeks, they're already even like they're overgrowing on the nursery. So the patches you can see, there were the effects of the seeds which were dying off, as you can see. But we managed to recover from that, and the seeds are now ready to be transplanted. Have a look at that size. Have a look. So this is what we salvaged, and 6 weeks and ready to be transplanted. You see others are still just overgrowing. They're overgrowing in the nursery. So it's high time we transplant this. So good people, it's your guy from Bensa Farm. I just wanted to show you how we managed to recover the seedlings which are dying off, and now they are ready to be transplanted to the main field. Yeah, just for I planted some of the onions. We're gonna bring some videos on them. So it's already transplanted. Please share this to our fellow farmers for them to learn on the best practices on onion propagations in the nursery. We do have a program which we're selling at Kenya shillings, 2,000 shillings. We'll do it on the comment, which you can buy at 2,000 shillings and use it for your onions. And maybe we get to guide you on whatever, depending on how your onions are faring on. Any question you have, we get to guide you and work with you as you are doing ours. This is your guy from Bensa Farm. Adios.